బాబు నువ్వు చెప్పు
ఏంటి
అన్ని కొట్టమని డబ్బు
నువ్వు కొట్టరా
మూన్ వాకర్ పిల్ల నీ నడక చూస్తే మూన్ వాకర్ ఎర్త్క్వేక్ పిల్ల నువ్వు తాకుతుంటే ఎర్త్క్వేక్ నీ లిప్పులోన ఉంది కప్పు కేక్ మాటలోన ఉంది మిల్క్ షేక్
நடுவில் இருந்தால் இன்னும் நல்லா இருக்கும்.
నువ్వు హాట్ తిన్న పూత రేకు ముట్టుకుంటే జార తామరాకు మనసు నెర్ర చేసే తమల పాకు
మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ బాబు నీ వాసులకు మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ నువ్వే వస్తే పెద్ద మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ బాబు నీ వాసులకు మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ నువ్వే వస్తే పెద్ద మైండ్ బ్లాక్ బాబు నువ్వు చూపి
ఏంటి
అని ఊదమని పీపి
నువ్వు వదరా నువ్వు వండరా
నువ్వు చీర కట్టుకుంటే జారుతుండే గుండె ఓర కంట చూపే భగ్గుమంటు మండే నువ్వు కాటు కెట్టుకుంటే చీకటవుతుంది పొట్టు పెట్టుకుంటే తెల్లబారుతుంది నీ కళ్ళలోన ఉంది పళ్ళు ముంత నీ వంపులోన ఉంది పాల పుంత నీ సొంపులో.
Happy birthday, Giri. Have a wonderful day. Oh my God, it's a big birthday for you. I hope this year brings you lots of happiness, success, good health, and everything that you wish for. God bless you. Have fun. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Giri. Have a wonderful day. May God bless you. Enjoy yourself. Cheers.
Hi Giri, happy 50th birthday. I pray God on this day to shower you with immense blessings, to have a fantastic another 50 years in life. I also pray God for you to achieve many more success in your life through you and through your family members. Enjoy your day. Have a blast.
Hey Giri, here's to 50 years of incredible you. wish you all the finest things in life for another 50 more to come ahead. A very happy birthday. May you be blessed with abundance in all walks of life now and beyond. Many more happy returns of the day, Giri. Have a great day and fantabulous year ahead.
Hey Gary, what a special day. Thanks with me not just a great leader, but a better friend. Happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Giri. Keep smiling and motivating us.
Hey Giri, happy 50th birthday. Wishing you another 50 years of party and fun.
I hope this next year for you is full of joy, success and plenty of good memories with family and friends. Wishing you good health and all the success in the coming year. Happy birthday, Giri.
Hi Giri, wish you a very happy birthday and great year ahead. Have always appreciated your quick wit and it's always fun to be around you. And I hope you have a great year and may all your wishes come true.
Happy birthday, Giri.
Yay! 50! Milestone birthday. Many happy returns of the day, Giri. Stay blessed. Wishing you a rocking and shining year ahead. Cheers.
Hey Giri, happy birthday. Have a great year. Thank you.
Hi Giri, happy birthday. Have a great day and a wonderful year ahead. Stay happy, healthy and blessed. Stay safe. Happy birthday, Giri.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Giri. Have a great year ahead. May all your dreams come true and have a fantastic day today. Take care.
You impressed me a couple ways. First and foremost is about your leadership management skills. No matter upstream to a SLT, but also downstream to a whole team. Your influence mindset, and internally, how we can do our best to influence and make an impact to our internal stakeholders and business, and externally to the whole industry as well. Last but not least, is about your always supporting and caring to a whole team, no matter it's blue and red stuff. I wish you happy birthday.
Giri, wishing you a very happy birthday. Enjoy the day. Have a great year ahead.
Hey Giri, wish you a very happy birthday and a wonderful life ahead. It's such a huge and massive milestone. I wish we were all there to celebrate it together. But I hope you enjoy it with your family and have a great time. Party is due, of course, after the shutdown. So all the best again and enjoy your great day. Bye-bye.
Hi Giri, wish you many happy returns of the day. Keep rocking.
Hey Giri, a very happy birthday to you.
Wish you a happy birthday, Giri.
Hi Giri, many more happy returns of the day. Thank you so much for the support you've shown me in the last 2.5 years and being a great leader for our team. I've definitely learned a lot from you and I really wish you have an amazing year and wish you all success.
Hello sir, I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you get the best of whatever you ask for and I hope your years to come are filled with happiness and joy. I just want to thank you for being an amazing leader and also for giving me this amazing opportunity. I hope we can celebrate in a much better fashion once this pandemic is over and just want you to know that you're an amazing person and have lots of fun, sir. Happy birthday again and cheers.
He was actually referred to me as Jerry by somebody that we know very well. I always wondered who he was. But then it took me a while to figure out who Jerry was. But over the years, we've had a wonderful association. Obviously, his commitment to work, his passion for customers and for technology, his focus on the team, but most importantly, his affection for his family and his ability to prioritize. They've all been very exemplary. Of course, not to forget his sense of humor and more importantly, his dancing, not just at Galata, but everywhere else. Happy 50th, Giri, Jerry, and hope you have a wonderful year and here's to another 50 years. Enjoy your birthday and best wishes.
Happy birthday, Giri. God bless you.
Hi Giri, wishing you a very happy birthday. Working with you is truly a gift for all of us. Thank you for your support and leadership. My warmest wishes for your good health, success and prosperity. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday Giri. Wish you many more years of good health and inspiring achievements.
Happy birthday Giri sir.
Hi Giri, happy birthday. Wishing you loads of happiness, success and great health. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Hey Giri, happy birthday. I know you're a very rich person. This is not because of the status of your bank account or the number of your properties. You are rich because everyone around you owes a lot to your kindness and guidance. You have such a magnetic character and you motivate me to be the best. Continue being an awesome person. I wish you a happy birthday and pray you to continue being a wonderful personality. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Giri. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Hi Giri, happy birthday. Hope you have some cool plans for your special day.
Hi Giri, just wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great day and a great year ahead. Thank you. Bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday to a wonderful person and a smart leader of ops. Have a great birthday Giri and a great year ahead. Good luck.
Hello Giri, you are someone very special for all of us. I know it would have been a great party. However, in the given situation, enjoy your 50th birthday and have fun. We will meet soon.
You are the true leader of my life. I always take examples of yours if I have to be successful in my life. You are my role model, Giri. Wish you a many happy returns of the day.
Wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. May God give you loads of happiness, inner peace and loads of health in coming years for you. Continue your great journey. 50th birthday is very special. Enjoy your day with your family and God bless you and great partnering with you, man. Have a great blast.
Hi Gary, thank you so much for your guidance and support to me and the whole team. So I wish you happy birthday and happy family. Stay safe.
Hi Giri, many happy returns of the day. It's just 50, another 50 to go. I want you to hit that century. May God bless you with long life and a healthy life. Happy birthday once again.
Hey Giri, wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy.
Hey Giri, happy birthday. Take care. Have a wonderful year.
Hey Giri, wishing you a very happy birthday. I know this is a very special day for you. Stay blessed, happy, healthy and continue to protect us at Cisco. Thank you.
Hi Giri, wish you a happy, healthy birthday now and forever. Happy birthday. Wish you best of luck.
Happy birthday Giri. Wish you a great year and the life ahead.
Wishing you all the best on your special day. Happy birthday to you and enjoy your birthday.
Hi Giri, many more happy returns of the day. I wish all your desirable dreams must come true. I wish lot of health, wealth, happiness and peace to you.
Hi Giri, hearty congratulations on this very special milestone birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Have a great time.
Happy birthday to the most admiring and charismatic leader with a smile. You are an amazing boss with a great humor. You bring out the best in me. We consider ourselves very lucky to work under your fun-filled supervision. Thank you, Giri.
We sing happy birthday to